welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back everyone. Alright everyone, in today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing and a little bit of cleaning before we move on to our Glam Tablescape. Alright, without further ado, let's start the unboxing first. Alright everyone, so this is the product that we're going to unbox, the Kitsure stainless steel dish rack. I really need this in my life because the one that we have is already very old, and I think Steve's don't like to let go of it. Alright, let's get started. I would like to say thank you to Kitsure for sponsoring today's video. Here are the pieces from the box, and I'll show you how to assemble this drying rack. Alright everyone, let's start from the drain board first at the bottom. Next, attach the cutlery holder along with cutlery drainer. Next, attach the dish drainer spouts at the back of the large drainer board. And the last one to attach, hang the cutting board holder along with wine glass holder. Overall, this product is very easy to install. It was a stainless steel and it comes with extra anti-slip silicone cups. If some of you out there are looking to upgrade your dish dryer rack, I highly recommend this product of Kitsure stainless steel dish drying rack. I do love the look of this. It's very modern and it's very sleek. Here we are trying to test how the drainage will flow in the spout, and it flows pretty good, and the spout is also adjustable guys, so you have a lot of options. The link will be in my description box along with my discount code if you're interested to purchase this dryer rack from Kitsure. I love it guys, and I highly recommend it. Again, the link will be in my description box along with the discount code. And here guys, Steve's legend this drying rack for 20 years. I'm really happy to say goodbye to this rack because it's pretty much old and we needed change. I'm really glad that he loves it too. Charger from Amazon. Dinner plate from Home Goods. Salad plate also from Home Goods. My napkin ring from Hobby Lobby. Silverware also from Home Goods. Welcome to my glamorous bee summer tablescape. I hope you like it. Alright guys, so majority of the items I'm using in this tablescape I already have. The only new here are the dinnerware that I recently hauled from Home Goods.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone.
And this is my kitchen for our everyday use. As you notice over here, I did not do a lot of decor because I would like it to be simple and minimal. I have a lot of wines as well because I love wine. I drink every night, just one glass of wine to make me relax. And as I said, this is our everyday use. And I do a lot of cooking all the time and a lot of spice. And here I think I thrifted this bulb from, I believe, Salvation Army.
All that time away from
Everyone, please let me know if you like to decorate your kitchen of a lot of decors or you just make it very simple. Here I made this flower arrangement. I reused my yellow roses flowers. On top of that, I have an accent of a bee. I believe that is a cupcake topper. My vase came from at home last year.
staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel.
Stay tuned for another bee tablescape. This is only the warm up for my bee tablescape. So I'm also decorating my kitchen in bee theme. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Also, my website is up. It's brand new. It was glamourellen.com. To all my followers and my subscribers, thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.
Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
Bye everyone. Be safe.